Good afternoon, students. So here is the another video of subtraction of unlike fraction. Like children, in like fraction we can very easily do the subtraction, but in unlike fraction first we need to convert these fraction into like fraction and then only we can do the subtraction. So here I am teaching you the method of LCM. So here I am writing it stepwise. So here our step 1 would be finding LCM of 7 and 8. Okay, now 7 and 8 are such numbers who do not have any common factor except 1. Okay, so we'll start from 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, and we will write 7 as it is. This is the LCM common division method. Now we will divide by 7. So our LCM would be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 7s are 56. Now children, our step 2 is convert into like fraction. Now for converting them into like fraction, either we can do it by mental maths method, or what we can do, whatever is our LCM, here on side I will write, whatever is our LCM, that we have to divide by the denominator. Okay, so my LCM is 56, and when 56 I will divide by 7, I am going to get 8. Okay, so this 3 by 7 I have to multiply by 8. And how by mental math? That by what should I multiply 7 to get 56? Because 56 we want as denominator. So that is 8. So now 3 8s are 24, 7 8s are 56. Now let us take my another fraction, that is 2 by 8. Again LCM 56 divide by denominator, that is 8. So I will be getting as 7. So it is 14 by 56. And now your step 3 is subtraction. So now we will subtract, as our both the fractions are like fraction. So in step 3 we will write 24 by 56 minus 14 by 56, that is 10 by 56. Okay, and your last is step 4, which is answer statement. So in answer statement you will write your original fraction, that is 3 by 7 minus 2 by 8, that is 10 by 56. And children, if your fraction can be reduced, please reduce this fraction, like it can be divided by 2. So it would be 2 5s are 10 and 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. So your final answer would be 5 by 28. Fine. Now here is the another example, 5 and 3. So again children, your step 1 would be finding LCM. Now I am doing it in short here. So LCM of 5 and 3 would be 15. Okay, I am not finding the LCM as they are co-prime numbers. Now your step 2 will be converting them into like fraction. So for converting them into like fraction, I need 15 as denominator. So I will multiply it by 3. Because 5 3s are 15, so it would be 4 3s are 12, 5 3s are 15. Then I'll take 2 by 3. It will be multiplied by 5. Because again 3 5s are 15. So 10 by 15. And now I'll do the subtraction, which is my step 3 is subtraction. I'm not writing here children, but you have to write all the steps. 12 by 15 minus 10 by 15 is equal to 2 by 15. And children, 2 by 15 can't be reduced because both of them has common as 1. And your last step would be your answer statement, which is 4 by 5 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 2 by 15. I hope you have understood all the steps.